So I've been using the O-Cedar Spin Mop for quite some time now, and I absolutely love it. But many of you have recommended to me that I should try the Tineco Wet Dry Mop. So I thought I'd give it a try and give you a little review. Filling the tank was quite easy, just add a little hot water and a little capful of the soap it comes with. I was quite surprised at the self-propelled motion. It really did push it along quite easily, and it picked up so much dirt on the floor. A little light blinks on the top and lets you know when it's time to empty out your container. I was shocked to see how much dirt it was picking up, especially since I just mopped 2 days before. This is a wet dry mop, but I would definitely recommend vacuuming the house before. You don't want all that hair and debris inside the water canister. After you're finished mopping for the day, one of the great features of this mop is that you can just put it right back on the charging base, and then the mop lets you know if it needs to be auto-cleaned. So if it does, you click the button, and then all the clean water gets rushed down to the brush, and then it soaks up all the dirty water. This machine is fabulous. You guys were right, and I would definitely recommend.